Samurais versus Windup.
We're doing our own decks.
You got me talking about Star Wars now. Just shut up. Just shut up.
Dude, while I was cutting the grass,
Get back in the
I ran over a hornet's nest, and I didn't even know it until I got stung like 3 times. I ran into the house.
Your ass is grass and I'm a lawnmower.
That's great, honey. 7. But I don't have to show you either if I don't want to. I didn't have a grade 3.
Oh shit! Gateway. This is gonna be hard.
So,
What gustos do you need?
I'll look after this.
So I got cams.
Yeah, I definitely need cams.
You look like a...
But I still got you.
Hey,
You gonna be able to stay like that?
I don't know. Honestly, good night.
Hey, look at the first trigger of the game.
And
Fixing
special.
I don't have any damage. Nobody has first trigger.
Yeah, no, it's always the first trigger, right?
What? Trigger check?
Not so fun.
Baylor first turn.
Not so fun being used against you instead of.
But that's like one of the most perfect. So you should have did that. You should have did that.
Oh wow! Did you?
Look at that! Look at that! Look what I dropped. 6 stars.
Oh, look at that field, y'all.
He overextended.
I know.
Yeah,
That's
dog.
what Cameron says all the time. I don't want him to get rid of my hand.
Effect to make
No,
him
if
5.
you really got.
Effect to make him 5.
Sharp. He can dart
5.
Yeah, I know. I was kidding with him. Of course, he's the one who gets rid of his hand, so Adrian doesn't.
But when he's facing other decks, he does that too.
Oh, then never mind.
How you going, Aegis?
You know what this is?
Tears. Set 1.
Either way, it would have been like.
Attack. And turn. Destroy.
There's your trip.
Gave way the Derp Samurai.
Actually, it might not even need it right now.
You know what's gonna happen? You're gonna get lava golem. That's what's gonna happen. You're gonna get double lava golems and then double magic cylinder. I hope you're happy.
Yeah, well, if you get through. There's your dartboard.
Effect.
All sad face drew into a trigger.
Turn it to
I have
him.
shields in hand though.
That was better.
Only thing is I have a weakness against Sukyon. Garmor's weakness is Sukyon. No, the only weakness I have right now is I'm a grade 3 lock.
I have no idea what you're talking about, Travis.
Shut up. I lost 4 games in a row. I don't want to talk about it.
Stacker. Travis is a stacker.
Kill trigger on the top. No.